Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish Joshi, consultant medical oncologist and hematologist from Mumbai Oncocare Center. Consistent with the plural nature of Indian society, its healthcare system, particularly for treating diseases like cancer, needs to have flexibility, accessibility, affordability, proximity without compromising quality. Today, with advancement in medical science, we are able to offer significantly longer survival and good quality of life to our cancer patients. However, cost becomes a significant barrier for medical professionals to offer and for patients to take such a long and costly treatment. To reach out to every section of our society to give best possible scientific and evidence-based treatment for this catastrophic illness is a goal of Mumbai Oncocare Center and very notion for its genesis. Large percentage of our population is not covered by medical insurance. Putting all these deleterious factors together, they influence cancer treatment and hence large swath of our population is deprived of optimal cancer care. We exist because we wish to touch the lives of many cancer patients, help them complete the right treatment at right time beyond all possible barriers.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vashisht Mania, a medical oncologist and hemato-oncologist practicing at Mumbai Oncocare Center. Mumbai Oncocare Center is a symbol of our commitment towards providing a comprehensive and holistic care in the field of oncology to help patients diagnosed with critical ailments like cancer. Our identity is our intent and integrity, which significantly influences the nature of our healthcare services. We stand by our patients through thick and thin, right from the diagnosis till the completion of treatment of that patient. We tend to handhold our patients so as to provide them with the best possible results of the treatment that we provide. We are perhaps the only unique chain of daycare centers which is extremely patient-centric, aimed at trying to heal the patient holistically. We try and cure all illnesses that we can. The ones we cannot, we try and provide the best available form of palliation so as to alleviate their pain, discomfort and anxiety. Welcome to MOC.
Hi, this is Dr. Preetham Kalaskar. I'm a medical oncologist at Mumbai Oncocare Center. Mumbai Oncocare Center, it is a comprehensive state-of-art facility for offering medical interventions to cancer patients. Mumbai Oncocare Center is a different concept in itself. These are daycares with a complete hospital registration and an available intensive care specialist along with the oncologist to ensure safety along with absolute comfort to the patients. At MOC, our consultants are medical and hemato-oncologists with highest qualification in this field. Many of them been awarded gold medals in their training. These consultants are attached to many of the corporate hospitals in Mumbai and they are offering services across the city. Most of them have trained and have experience of many years. We have a in-house pathology lab. Most of the slides are examined at the center itself by eminent pathologists in the city because MOC believes that accurate diagnosis is the base for all best treatments. Mumbai Oncocare Center also offers a lymphapheresis facility, which is a machine used to treat the swelling which occurs in the arms after the therapy, surgery, or radiation during breast cancer. This facility is available in all the centers and is one of the facilities which is offered by very few hospitals in Mumbai.
Hi, myself Dr. Pradeep Kendre, Director and Consultant of Mumbai Oncocare, taking care of Borivali and Mirapur branch. We believe in right decision for the patient, that is multidisciplinary team action, where we try to connect patient to other cancer-related faculties for other intervention beyond the chemo. So rehabilitation is another important core aspect of the Mumbai Oncocare unit. Besides that, we also offer yoga, meditation, dietitian for the speedy healing and the rehabilitation of the patient. We have dedicated yoga trainer in Mumbai Oncocare Center, which helps our patient to improve their lifestyle. We also offer home and palliative care services to the terminally ill patient in order to ensure they'll get the best quality of services during their terminal end stages. We are proceeding this program under Dr. Leo Lewis, who is head of our palliative and home care unit. Clinical research forms integral part of Mumbai Oncocare Center. We engage in clinical trial both in prospective and retrospective nature to monitor and analyze the trends of patient profiles, offer them best services, efficacy of medicine, and their side effect in order to create comprehensive compilation which serves as a reference point for us to improve our practices even further. Above all, assisting our intent to choose the best treatment for the patients.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kshitij Joshi, Consultant Medical Oncologist, MOC Vilaypur. I'm going to introduce you to 3 patient value-added services that MOC offers. MOC has recently introduced Paxman scalp cooling machine. So as everyone aware, that chemotherapy is associated with very troublesome side effect of hair loss and which is associated with social stigma as well. So we first time introduced Paxman scalp cooling technique in Mumbai, which will prevent hair loss during chemotherapy administration. Now come to our second patient value added service, that is MOC, Center for Genomic Oncology and Familial Cancers. Many cancers run in families, so it is very important to know about the risk factor associated with the cancer that is present in family members or succeeding generations. So we have our highly qualified and certified genetic counselor, Ms. Ariba Khan, who helps cancer patients to understand about this risk factor and the measures which is to be taken to prevent these cancers in the future. Now coming to our third value-added service, that is MOC Cancer Care Foundation, which also represent our social responsibility. MOC is socially responsible organization. We want to help cancer patients during their cancer treatment. As we are aware, there are many cancer patients which cannot afford this treatment. So MOC Cancer Care Foundation want to help this patient to complete their treatment with the help of monitoring and other assistance.
Hi, this is Dr. Udeep Maheshwari, consultant medical oncologist and hemato-oncologist at Mumbai Oncocare Center. Cashless insurance as a facility is the most new feature that we have added to our MOC services recently by associating with third-party services. We wish our patients a long life, a good health, and a very good quality of life. Proud to be an Emosian.
Proud to be a Emosian.
Proud to be an Emosian.
Proud to be Emosian.
Proud to be Emosian.
Proud to be an Emosian.